Thank you for buying this 10146 wall mount shelf from Fixture Displays. This measures 15 inches wide and holds articles of 1.7 inches in diameter. That's 1.5 inches in diameter. It's a great article to brighten up your personal space or store environment. You can display nail polish, book, CDs, and many other products that will fit onto this shelf. I hope you like this video. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. We also have countertop displays, and welcome to browse our store online. Thank you.